How to fix screen flickering on Android. So all you have gotta do is first you have to reboot your cell phone. So just long press the power button of your phone, and as you can see, you can click restart. And for another method is just to navigate your dark mode here and turn it off, because maybe sometimes the dark mode can cause flickering screen on your phone. And other than that, you should turn on developer options of your phone. So you just have to click 7 times in build number. But for me, I'm already a developer, so let's cut to the chase. Let's go to system. You can navigate developer options in the system, and you should navigate here. As you can see, disable HW overlays. You should turn this off, and that's it.